Oh, I'm recording. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ellie, and I have a song for you that I have to share. So, I just need to tell you one thing. If you were me, or if you were like me, you would just be saying, life is like a microwave. So, I made this song for you. Enjoy. Have you ever thought the world could be something else? It could be anything else than water or grass or clouds. Fill the air of the world that we live in. Earth can be anything else. And know what I think it is. I think it is. The world is a microwave. Yeah. You better get down on this, oh yeah. You better turn on your microwave. Put something in it that says life. And then start cooking it. Because life is a microwave. Life is a microwave. It's a maze to the microwave. It's a maze that you think you're just imagining. It's a maze of possibilities. So you better come to me and say, life is a microwave. Life is a microwave. It's a maze through life, 'cause it's microwave. Spin around, you'll see what I see. You'll see that life can be as happy as it can be. Life is a life is a life is a microwave. Oh, 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 oh. People always say that life can be anything, but anything can be anything. So what if I'm imaginary? Oh, so anything can be anything. So what if I'm imaginary? So that things I'm just not very. I don't know what I'm doing. We should all think one thing about our lives. They're just microwaves spinning around in this maze of life and day and pain. Sadness can turn to good if you think bad is good. And if you are not like me, then you just have to see that anything can be happy. Life is a microwave. You just have to see. You can be like me. You can be anybody. Life is a microwave. Life is a microwave. Life is a true microwave. Well, I really think that's funny.